Hello everyone. Today we are from Group 1. We're gonna explain about the metallography experiment. I'm gonna introduce myself. My name is Ashidqi.
My name is Ryvalbi.
My name is Yahya, Anugrahputera Arianto.
My name is Christianus Wijaya.
My name is Gavin Thariqi.
So we're gonna start the explanation by our friend Anugrah, who is gonna explain about the mounting process.
So the first step is mounting process. So if you want to hold the specimen, we need two mounting process, which is make it easier to hold the specimen because the specimen actually is so small. After that, we grinding with 4 kind of sandpaper, so we can make sure the surface will smooth. Then the next step will be explained by Abi.
Okay, I'm gonna explain to you about the polishing step. The purpose of polishing specimen is to get the surface is to look as smooth as possible and will give a shiny look on the surface. The shiny look will affect the microscope ability to look the grain boundary inside the material. So if the polishing step is not correct, the microscope will not able to see the grain boundary. Next step is from Thariq.
So I'm gonna explain about the etching process. So the etching process is goals are mainly to remove the excess material from the specimen. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna prepare the nickel liquid and the specimen. After that, we put the specimen inside the nickel liquid for a moment, and after that we're gonna put the specimen into the alcohol for 25 seconds, not more or not less, because we're gonna ruin the process. Okay, the second step is the microscope, which is going to be explained by Gerry.
So basically, every material have a different kind of microstructure inside the material itself. So the purpose of using microscope is to see beneath the material itself, so that we can see the exact characteristics that some kind of material has. But in this kind of experiment, we're gonna use a material that have been polished so that we can see the light inside the microscope will reflect into the material that have been mounted before. So it will make our job easier to check the type of material itself. The next step will be explained by my friend Gavin about the
grain size calculation method. The last step is grain size calculation method. There are 3 methods. First, the comparison method. Second, the intercept method. Third, the planimetry method. And I'm going to explain about the intercept method, which I still don't know about.
The simplest technique to estimate an average grain size is the intercept technique. So in this method, a random straight line is drawn through the micrograph from microscope, and the number of grain boundaries intersecting the line are counted. The average grain size is then found by dividing the number of intersections by the actual line length. So in short, we just draw a line, then count the grains, then divide the length of the line by the number of the grains.
So that's all from our group. Thank you for watching.
Thank you. Bye.